yung eyelet. Ang top. Yung eyelet na shorts o dalawa. Ito yung polo na blue. Ito yung pants. Pants na pants na linen. Ito yung dress. Yung dress. Tapos ito yung panty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's supposed to be 6.